Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your art class. So, in today's class, we are going to make a new topic that is fairy house. All right, basically, it will be fantasy fairy house. So, for that, the things you required is one, you need your CD marker, the thin one. Okay, in this painting, in this drawing, nobody will use the sketch pen. Like you are having this type of sketch pen, like black sketch pen for outlines, you are not going to use this pen, this sketch pen in your this painting. All right, the second thing you required is watercolor. Okay, so you can go with these colors, or else if you're having any other watercolors, you can go with that. And one more option is there, you can go with pencil colors. Okay, so from watercolor to pencil color, you can choose any one of your choice. Okay, so let's begin with the class. So here I'm going to draw it with the marker directly. If you feel trouble, then draw it with the pencil first, then do the outline with your CD marker, which I have already shown to you. All right, I'm saying again, don't use a brush sketch pen here. All right, so let's start the video and enjoy the music.